Two major automation platforms are going head-to-head, Automate.io and Power Automate. Which truly powers your workflows best? On one side, we have Automate.io, known for its simple, user-friendly automation for small businesses. On the other, Power Automate, Microsoft's robust solution built for deep integration and enterprise work. Today, we're diving into the features that count: integrations, ease of use, pricing, scalability, and support. Forget the marketing claims, we're comparing real value so you see what matters. Each area scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is best for you. And trust me, the winner isn't as obvious as you think. Let's get into it. Here's the plan. We'll compare these two on 6 things: price, integrations, ease of use, enterprise features, ecosystem, and reliability with updates. So, think of it like a mind map. We'll hit each point, walk through the quirks, and see where each shines or kind of flops. Starting with price, honestly, Automate.io came in seriously strong here. Super budget friendly, especially on those entry plans, and you even got a free tier that actually lasted. But that free plan, yeah, kinda limited if you wanted to do anything wild. Now Power Automate? Well, it can be included with Microsoft 365, which sounds good, but once you start stacking features or need anything fancy, the price creeps up fast. Oh, and navigating Microsoft licensing? Not exactly what I'd call fun. So, for pricing, Automate.io just made life easier. Okay, integrations. If you use all sorts of random apps, Google, Slack, Salesforce, you name it, Automate.io had you covered with over 200 connectors. But heads up, cutting-edge new integrations could take, a minute. Meanwhile, Power Automate totally nails the Microsoft side deep hooks into Teams, Office 365, all that jazz. And they're adding more third-party stuff, but sometimes you need to tinker or pay extra to hook them up. If you're outside the Microsoft bubble, Automate.io just felt smoother. Ease of use. This is a biggie, right? Automate.io was super approachable with its drag-and-drop builder. Like, even if you hate tech, you could figure it out. Downside, if you wanted to get really clever with automations, you hit a wall. Power Automate? Hoo boy, it's powerful, with Excel-style expressions and a bunch of templates to get rolling. But honestly, there's a learning curve. Complex flows? You're probably watching 5 YouTube tutorials to get it right. Oh, and here's something you might not know. Automate.io, Notion scooped them up in 2021, and yeah, they sunset the product. So if you're wondering why the site feels a little like a ghost town, now you know. Meanwhile, Power Automate is charging ahead, building in things like AI and robotic process automation. You can tell Microsoft's all in. Enterprise features. This is where Power Automate flexes. We're talking advanced security, full-blown auditing, role-based access, support for robotic process automation, even some AI builder action. It's robust, but can feel like overkill and kind of confusing if you're not already all in on Microsoft. Automate.io, perfectly fine for small teams, but if you need hardcore compliance or want to wield serious admin power, it just can't match up. Now, the wider ecosystem, another biggie. Automate.io was refreshingly neutral, didn't care if you lived in Google, Slack, wherever. But here's the twist, it's not being updated anymore thanks to that Notion acquisition. So you're kind of flying solo if things break. Power Automate, on the other hand, is everywhere in the Microsoft jungle, 365, Azure, Dynamics, the whole crew. Tons of fresh updates. But if you're not on Microsoft, it sometimes feels like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. And finally, reliability and updates. Automate.io was always cloud-based, pretty stable, but there's no support if you're signing up now. Like, the lights are off, doors locked. Power Automate is being updated literally all the time. Microsoft is not letting this thing gather dust. Yes, the updates can sometimes break your old automations, which is a bit infuriating, but at least it's alive, you know? If we mapped this out, you'd see Automate.io crushes in price, integrations, and ease of use. Power Automate, though, absolutely dominates in enterprise features, ecosystem, and, yeah, reliability if you're deep in Microsoft world. So, if you're a solo worker or a small business wanting easy automations, Automate.io would have been my pick, simple, straightforward, and super affordable. But since its sunset, Power Automate really stands tall, especially for companies living and breathing Microsoft. Tons of depth, tons of features, and, let's be real, way more future-proof. If this rundown helped you sort through the confusion, stick around. There's way more automation tips and comparisons coming your way.